Would you give it up for my good friend, David Nurse?
Literally, breakthroughs happen when you live in the service mode. If you don't have that, if you're too concerned about your own time and your own day, like I get caught up too much, like my schedule's this, and this. So if somebody gets in the way of that, like I don't have time. But that's not it. If you look at every interaction, every relationship, like it could be a breakthrough, not necessarily for you, but you pour into others, and you pour into others, and you pour into others. It always happens like this. It's like I really want it to not happen sometime so I can prove myself wrong. But if you just give, don't expect anything in return, it all comes back to you.